Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about heating element for Star Mfg part #2NZ5948. The heating element for Star Mfg part #2NZ5948 is a replacement part for a variety of Star manufacturing equipment. It is a heating element that is used to provide heat to the interior of the equipment. The element is made from high-grade stainless steel and features a built-in thermostat that helps regulate the temperature of the equipment. This heating element is designed to last for many years and can be used in a variety of applications, including food warmers, hot dog steamers, and other commercial kitchen equipment. It is easy to install and require. This part fixes the following symptoms. This heating element is used to replace a faulty or worn-out heating element in a Star manufacturing commercial food service equipment. It can fix symptoms such as slow preheating, uneven cooking, and poor temperature control. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the access panel from the appliance and locate the existing heating element. 3. Disconnect the wires from the existing heating element and remove it from the appliance. 4. Install the new heating element in place of the old one, making sure that it is securely fastened to the appliance. 5. Connect the wires to the new heating element, making sure that they are connected correctly according to their color coding or labeling. 6. Replace any insulation or gaskets that were removed during. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.